জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Tell me, my child, what poses a threat to Deepu? Tell me frankly.
I didn't see what poses a threat to him, father. Earlier, I saw what posed a threat to him. So it wasn't difficult to save him. First, I saw it was poison. Then I saw a bottle would hit him in the head. But this time... Father, I'm not able to understand anything, father. What poses a threat to him? What could harm him? I can't understand anything.
Oh Lord.
Nan, how will you save Dripto then?
That is why I'm saying, officer, that I need to be around him. If I'm around him, I might be able to protect him. If I have to play tricks for that, I will. If I have to endure people's taunts, I will. If I have to lie in a corner, I will, but I won't. No.
Don't you want anything for yourself, child? How do you do this, Trinayani? How?
Who said I don't want anything for myself? I want everything for myself, officer. He's my loved one. And if my loved one is safe, won't it be good for me too?
Come along, come on. Why are you blushing? Come here.
What's the matter?
Mom, today Deepu told me what kind of girl he likes. Fair complexioned, educated, intelligent, smart. She must have these qualities, Mom. Otherwise, she can't be the family's daughter-in-law.
Well, I've listed everything, Aunt, so that we don't miss any points. Rest assured, Aunt, Sanjukta will personally choose a girl for Dripto.
Look at brother Dripto. He is never happy when we discuss his marriage. Wait. Hey, Deepu. Are you happy, son? Look, mother. Your grandson is so happy. He can't contain his happiness. His face is glowing with happiness. Let me see, Dripto. No. What are you saying, Aunt? There is no smile on his face. Look, he is standing with a sad face, don't you think? You're really strange, Dripto. When he married my friend, that time also he had a really sad face. He is going to remarry. He still has a sad face. Lord knows. I feel he has fallen in love with my friend. Am I right, Dripto? Otherwise, it would have brought a smile to his face.
Rangana, you're talking nonsense again.
You're absolutely right, Piku. You're right. Rangana is talking nonsense. Have you seen his face? He is elated to hear that he will get married. What? What are you saying? He doesn't have a sad face, right, Deepu? Aren't you elated? Mother, look at his face. Hey, Vicky, did you see? Your nephew is so
happy. He isn't able to control his happiness, huh?
Please stop this. Hey, Aunt. No. What do you want to prove? Tell me. What do you want to know? Yes, I don't look happy. Yes, I look worried. I look very worried. Tell me, what do you want to know? What do you want to know? What is the reason behind it, right? Am I right? The reason is Trinayani. No, please don't think that I love that girl or I have a place for her in my heart and that's why I'm getting upset hearing about my second marriage. Please do not think that so. That girl is still a threat to me. She haunts me all the time. I fear her so much that I'm still feeling that she'll come back to this house.
Sister Sudha, I'm going. But why is there sorrow in your eyes? Please tell me. I could save Tripto only because of you. I wish I could have helped you as well. You know, Sister Sudha, your father still cries for you when he's alone. Tell me, Sister Sudha. I'll try to take your sorrow away. I know. No matter where you are, if you are at peace, your father will also be happy.
Mr. Topabrotho, will Nayan be alright at your place? Nayan's grandfather Umacharan's question is still echoing in my ears. The day Tripto will realize Nayan's value, though his wife won't be a thorn in Nayan's side, will she?
No, Deepu, don't say all that. I won't let that thorn in your side come back.
Aren't you overestimating yourself, Sanjukta?
What? I'm overestimating myself? What do you mean? Huh, what do you think? I'll watch it silently if Nayan returns here,
Who said that? You're not one to watch things silently. No way. But I think you won't be able to do anything. It's because Nayan and Deepu aren't divorced yet. So, Nayan is still Deepu's wife. And brother has already transferred all his property to Deepu's wife. You won't be able to stop it either. And one more thing. No matter how hard you try to prove that Nayan is a thorn in Deepu's side, the fact is, Nayan is a thorn in someone else's side. And I know that. And that is...
Please stop it! What's going on here? I've noticed whenever this girl is mentioned, there are arguments in our family. A fraud and a thug has made my life a living hell ever since she came here. No one will be at peace until that girl is thrown out of my life and someone else becomes my wife. No one will be at peace. Neither you all nor me.
Answer my question, Mr. Basu. The one who will be Dripto's wife. How will you take away her rights, Mr. Basu? How?
I'm not able to understand anything right now, Mr. Tarun. But trust me, I will find definitely a solution for this. They got married in front of Lord, with the holy fire as the witness. I won't let that marriage break apart. Not at all.
Father? I am done, Father. Let's go. Officer. I am leaving, officer. Please stay safe, okay?
I should stay safe. Who is supposed to stay safe? And who is she asking to stay safe? Nan? You stay safe, my child. Don't forget me, my child. Listen, Nan. If anyone in that house tries to hurt you even a bit or misbehaves with you, then let me know immediately. I have lost my daughter Sudha, my child. I can't lose you now. So if anyone hurts you even a bit, then I will.
Let's go, my child. Let's go.
I know Dripto may not like me going back to that house. But I don't have a choice but to go there, Father.
No matter how people react to you, setting foot in that house, but I'll believe that I'm taking back the daughter-in-law of the family. Come on, my child.
Where did I keep my phone? Oh, I don't find my phone whenever I need it. I don't like it.
I'll look for your phone. What's the matter with you, Sanjukta? Why are you so annoyed? What's wrong with you? What happened? Come on, tell me.
I am not annoyed. I'm not annoyed unnecessarily. Listen, Vicky, let me tell you something. I won't let Nayan come back. I'll go to the lawyer's chamber tomorrow and there... Hey, make a phone call. Come on, call and make an appointment.
Sanjukta,
hurry up, fast.
Sanjukta, calm down. What's the matter? Will you wait, please?
No, I don't have time to wait. Call him up and tell him. Call him up and tell him to get the divorce papers ready. I'll go to the lawyer's chambers tomorrow, collect the divorce paper, then go to Nayan's village and get the divorce papers signed. I'll be at peace only after that. I'm telling you, Vicky, before Nayan comes back to this house, I will...
Sanjukta, Nayan is not coming back. She's not coming back to this house. Why are you so stressed? One needs shelter in order to return. They need shelter. Who will give that girl shelter? Dripto. Dripto looks for qualities in his wife that Nayan doesn't have at all. It means Nayan couldn't attract him towards herself. What's there to worry about? You know what, Sanjukta? You are Dripto's destiny maker. You are going to decide his future. And that's the final decision. He'll marry the girl of your choice.
You are right, Vicky. Given the current situation, Deepu won't allow that girl. Sometimes something happens to me, my brain stops working. And Pratima makes me so...
Did any of you listen to Pratima's word closely? I know that. I know neither of you listened to her. Had you listened to her, you wouldn't have gotten relaxed upon hearing Uncle's words.
Meaning?
You know, Aunt reminded us again while talking that Dripto's wife would be the owner of all the property, be it Nayan or someone else. Yes, we might be able to get Nayan out of our way, but when the girl you will choose gets to know about this property thing, Mom, why will she transfer all the property papers in your name? Mom, you might rule the roost, but Mom, to be very honest, you won't be able to rule the roost then. The one who has the property will have the power. And you know, Mom and Uncle will dance to the tune of the girl that you will choose, Mom. Am I right?
Right, I think Piku is right. The one who has the property will have the power. Exactly. Vicky, what's the solution to this?
There is a solution. There is only one solution. After Dripto and Nayan are divorced, we will have to kill Dripto. Simple.
No!
What? What happened? Trinani, what happened? Are you all right? What happened? Why are you getting out of the car?
Father is unwell. I'm not able to tell him about Dripto's danger. He will get more worried if I tell him what I saw. No. I can't tell Father about it.
You have a point. You have a point, Piku. It's not necessary that everything will go according to my plan. That uneducated Nayan is giving me a hard time, and that girl is educated. If she tries to trick us, we'll be in trouble. And when educated people play tricks, it becomes dangerous.
Exactly so. We have a solution.
But what is the solution, Vicky?
There's no room for confusion, Sanjukta. If you want to end a problem, end it from the root. Kill him. Finish Dripto off. Sanjukta, you will have to plan to kill him. Nayan is not here. His protective shield is not here. Who will save him?
What's this? What happened?
Hey, what's the matter? Why did you get off the car all of a sudden?
It's nothing, Father. Listen to me, Father. Please leave me here, okay?
Here? Why?
No, actually...
No. Our house is just 5 minutes away from here. Aren't you able to recognize the way?
I did. I recognize the way. But I don't want you to take me to that house.
Why? See now, you aren't saying anything. Why are you quiet? Tell me why.
What if Dripto doesn't consider keeping me as a maid if you take me along with you? What if he throws me out of the house? Please let me do this on my own, Father. This is my battle. let me fight it by myself.
Yes, that's right. I can't really understand how Deepu will react when he sees you. Okay, fine. I have an idea. You come with me and then get off a little away from the house, right? But will you be able to melt their hearts and take the job, my child?
I have to do it, Father. I will protect my husband at any cost. As long as I am alive, I won't let any harm befall Dripto. He put vermilion on my forehead in front of Lourdes that day. I'll keep its honor intact. I have to do it.